Understanding Oil Gauge, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic in store for you. We are going to talk about the phrase, oil gauge, a term you might encounter in conversations about vehicles and machinery. By the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding of what an oil gauge is and how to use this phrase in a sentence. So, let's get started. First, let's break down the phrase, oil gauge. It consists of two words, oil and gauge. Oil is a slippery and viscous liquid that is used in engines to lubricate parts and prevent them from wearing down due to friction. Gauge, on the other hand, is an instrument used to measure or assess something. When these two words come together, oil gauge refers to an instrument in a vehicle or machinery that measures the level of oil. This is crucial for ensuring that there is enough oil in the engine to keep it running smoothly. Now, let's talk about why the oil gauge is so important. The oil gauge helps to prevent damage to the engine by alerting the driver or operator when the oil level is low. Running an engine with low oil can lead to severe damage, as the parts will not be properly lubricated. Therefore, regularly checking the oil gauge is a vital part of vehicle maintenance. Let's go through some examples of how to use the phrase, oil gauge, in a sentence. 1. Before starting the car, always check the oil gauge to ensure there is enough oil. 2. If the oil gauge shows that the oil level is low, you should add more oil as soon as possible. 3. During a long drive, it's a good idea to stop and check the oil gauge regularly. By using oil gauge in these contexts, you are referring to the instrument that helps you monitor the oil level in your vehicle. And there we have it, folks. We hope this video has helped clear up any confusion about what an oil gauge is and how you can use this term in your everyday conversations. Remember, keeping an eye on your oil gauge is crucial for maintaining your vehicle and ensuring it runs smoothly. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.